Hi friends, welcome to my channel Leo. So today I'm standing in front of, you know where I'm standing? I'm standing in front of the house of a wonderful, magnificent lady who has participated in 1974. She is the champion of swimming. So let's go and meet her. Wow!
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Today we have come to meet Mrs. Manjari Bhargava, the Arjuna Award winner. So let's ask her what is the secret of her swimming at this age of 65 also. Okay? Yes, ma'am. Can you tell me?
What is the secret? Secret is nothing. I've always been doing it, and been into sports right from the age of 10. So it runs in my blood. All sporting activities. Swimming is the main, of course, but I love playing, squash, tennis. Then I have played badminton, table tennis. So I golf as well. So I love sports, and I can manage to play everything, and that keeps me up. I do regular exercise, and I believe in fitness. So that is one thing very important in my life. So yeah.
So at which age have you started your swimming career?
I started swimming when I was 10 years old, and by 12 I was the national champion in diving, and that was the first time that nationals were happening for women, and I stood first. And ever since I have been retaining my title as the national champion, and I have always also represented international events where as well I won the gold. And as a result of which, of all my achievements, I was awarded the coveted Arjuna Award by the President of India. Mr. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed was the president, and it was a grand function in the Ashoka Hall of the President's house. Yes. So yeah.
So can you show me that Arjuna Award, the great award which you have got? Yes. So here is the Arjuna Award which Manjari Bhargava has got. Wow.
And
Arjuna
my
Award.
certificate is there on the top.
Wow, super. It's a certificate. So friends, this is the Arjuna Award. So proud of her.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
ma'am. So tell me once again, I think recently, a few days back, you have participated in 17th national swimming thing competition also, and you have won some awards also in that. So can you tell me something about that?
Yes, after a long gap of 50 years, because the last competition I participated was in 1974, which was held in Calcutta. And then I gave up on diving because for diving you need total fitness, and the life of a sportsman is always short, and I decided to quit in 1974. I got the award only after that. I didn't know that I'm going to get the award. Anyway, so now this year, in Bangalore we had the 17th National Masters Meet, which is for senior people. And since I am a senior, I decided that I must get into sports once again, and I participated in of course, in 4 events, and in one I got the gold and 3 silver medals. So it was after 50 years, and I was not sure that what I am going to do, but then I was able to get these.
Very proud of you, ma'am. Very proud of you. And you are still like a swimmer only. I don't know how long you are going to. Tell me, how long can you swim? At which age are you going to completely stop this swimming? What is the future of yours, this thing regarding the swimming?
Well, I don't think I'm going to ever stop. As long as I can do it, I'm going to do it, and I'm going to keep myself fit for that. And I have a lot of plans because I've just retired, and so it is my second innings, and so I'm now I have all the time for myself. So I'm going to pursue my hobbies and interests, which I had to, put a stop on during the time that I was working and as a mother of young children. So I could not concentrate on so many things. But now I'm totally free and I'm going to make the most of it. The life has just begun.
So, any plan of starting any swimming academy or teaching children? Like now you know the techniques of swimming and how to win gold and all those things. So, why don't you teach it to the give these things to the next generation?
Actually, I came to Bangalore. I belong to Rajasthan. And all my schooling, my education was in Rajasthan. Then once I got married and my husband came down here, to do his work. So we settled down here. So since 1985, I'm here. And as soon as I came, I started coaching children. And even today, I am, the swimmers, when the young children, they swim, people ask them, who taught you? Because I always focused on the strokes and the technique of swimming. Of course, I did not enter into competitive teaching of swimming because that requires a lot of time and energy, and you have to be fully into it, which I didn't want to do because I too had small children and family responsibilities. So I've been teaching, and I have for a couple of years I have taught swimming. But as of now, I have no intentions of teaching. But of course, some people will ask me, and then I take a class for them. But otherwise, I don't want to get into all that. I will just enjoy myself. Yeah.
So, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
My
So nice of spending so much time with you. So, thank you once again. Hi friends, today I am going to show you an exciting video regarding 17th International Swimming Championship, which is happening in St. Aloysius, Mangalore.
Here we have the results for event number 40, 50 meters breaststroke group team. The first place is bagged by Nauri Asuda of Haryana, with a timing of 33.55 seconds. Second place goes to Yotam Singh of Manipur with a timing of 38.82 seconds. The third place goes to Rekha Thomas of Delhi with a timing of 39.5